to Chimera Craft. Now, as you can see from the background, I'm not in my workshop or in my studio. And that is because I have a day job. I am a school teacher here in Thailand. And right now we are on holiday, so I'm not at home. So, nothing for you this week, building-wise. But I am on holiday in the islands, and I have been in Koh Mak and Koh Kood for the last week or so, and I've got a couple more days left before we have to go back. But right now, I am on a little island just off of Koh Mak called Koh Kom. And what this island is, it was supposed to be a very, very high-end resort. But they ran out of money when they were building it, and it is abandoned. Some of you that are YouTube, followers, you've probably seen some of the travel vlogs that people have been to this island. It really is a stunning little thing. I will show you some drone shots and some other filming of it. It is a stunningly beautiful little island. The weather's beautiful. It's hot and sunny, and I might be having a Pepsi or two, just a Pepsi, nothing more. But so let me give you some shots of the place. This is one of these abandoned units here. You can see it is just overrun by green. I think it was abandoned in 2017 or something like that. And it would have been a beautiful, beautiful hotel. And I'll show you the beach here. Let's go behind me. You can see the beach. So as you can see, I live a rough life. It's a rough life. This is a couple-hour drive for me from Bangkok. And we get a lot of holidays being teachers, especially right now with COVID going on. So we've got quite a few things, quite a few times that we could do it. And so I don't have a project for you this week, but I will be home in a couple of days, and I've got a project set up to start, and I should have that in a couple of weeks. So until then, enjoy the drone footage that I'm going to show you of the islands and some cool background music for it. And then next week I have another cool project. I think it's going to be something you like. All right, bye-bye.
Look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh. Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel all that I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.